Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel WA Electronics. Today we're checking out one of the coolest 2-in-1 tools I've tested so far, the ZOYI ZT-R02, an infrared thermal imaging camera plus full digital multimeter packed into one compact device. We'll unbox it, test every multimeter function in real-life scenarios, try its thermal imaging capabilities, and see if it's worth your money. Let's dive in. Inside the box, we get the ZOYI ZT-R02 infrared thermography multimeter, two multimeter probes, red and black, USB Type-C cable, user manual, a nice portable storage bag, the device itself feels solid and compact, around 149 by 76 by 33.5 millimeters, lightweight, and powered by a 2,000 milliamp-hour lithium battery. On the front, we have a 2.4-inch TFT display, pretty crisp at 320 by 240 resolution. The top features the thermal imaging sensor, a 96 by 96 vanadium oxide microbolometer, which is upscaled to 240 by 240 for display. Temperature range is impressive, negative 20 degrees Celsius to plus 150 degrees Celsius, 100 to plus 550 degrees Celsius, with adjustable emissivity from 0.01 to 1.00, which is great for accuracy on different materials. And of course, this is also a full professional multimeter capable of AC voltage up to 750 volts, DC voltage up to 1000 volts, AC-DC current up to 10 amps, resistance, capacitance, continuity, diode testing, frequency measurement. At the back, Type-C port for charging and data transfer. Let's start with the thermal camera. It captures at 25 FPS, so movement looks smooth. The FOV is 50 degrees by 50 degrees, wide enough for electrical panels or HVAC inspection. There are multiple color palettes: white hot, black hot, blue, iron red, color, red hot, fusion, rainbow. Let's test it on real objects. Soldering iron temperature test. The ZT-R02 measures soldering iron temperature instantly. Here it's showing around 102 degrees Celsius soldering iron tip temperature. Electric heater test. The ZT-R02 measures hot plate surface temperature instantly. Here it's showing around 157 degrees Celsius, which matches the device's accuracy rating of plus or minus 2 degrees Celsius or plus or minus 2%. Now let's test all the multimeter features one by one. DC voltage test, up to 1000 volts. On a 9-volt battery, we get a clean 9.4-volt reading, perfect for automotive work too. AC voltage test, up to 750 volts. AC voltage test shows stable reading around 216 volts, which is accurate and quick. Resistance test, reads resistances instantly, very responsive auto range. Capacitance test. As expected, capacitance values are accurate, useful for repairing power supplies and motors. Continuity test. Continuity test is snappy with a loud beep, perfect for electricians. Diode test. Forward voltage shows around 0.54 volts. Frequency measurement. Mains frequency reads 60 Hz accurately. Pros and cons. Pros: 2-in-1 device, thermal camera plus multimeter, wide temperature range up to 550 degrees C, adjustable emissivity, smooth 25 FPS thermal video, accurate electrical measurements, portable USB-C rechargeable, multiple color palettes, great for electrical, HVAC, automotive, DIY. Cons: no video recording, only BMP snapshots. Display is small for long hours of thermal work. No tripod mount. The ZOYI ZT-R02 is honestly one of the best budget thermal imaging multimeters you can get. If you deal with electronics, electrical installations, HVAC diagnostics, or automotive troubleshooting, this tool gives you both thermal vision and full DMM functions in one lightweight package. For technicians and hobbyists, it's absolutely worth considering. If you want to check it out, the purchase link is in the description below. If you enjoyed the review, hit like, drop your thoughts in the comments, and subscribe for more tool reviews and testing videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.